We are at Florida Naturals, which is an orange juice, obviously. And we're gonna go out and check it in. This is the visitor center, but the world headquarters is directly across the street.
It is Thanksgiving Day. We are in Lake Kissimmee State Park, making Thanksgiving dinner.
The Instant Pots?
The turkey in the Instant Pot and the sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot.
Do you remember what this is?
It's stuffing.
But not breaded stuffing.
Cauliflower stuffing.
Riced cauliflower stuffing.
Setting up over here on the picnic table. I think it's the warmest Thanksgiving we've ever had.
80 degrees today. 80. Loving it. So this year for birthdays, we've decided to allow the kids to pick a place that they would like to go check out. Riley picked this Reptile World Serpentarium. It was really cool.
Wow, there's a tiny one. Oh, they're all blocking the big ones. Oh, he is real. Yeah, you didn't think he was real?
We haven't made it past the turtle. It's funny how they step on that big one.
Like he's not even there.
There's some over here sunbathing.
Oh, yep, they have the round nose. They're more blue. So these
Some alligators. What are these, Riley?
They're Argentine black and white tegus, native to Argentina.
This guy's look pretty neat. He's got a long tongue.
Is that his ear?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's weird.
You might want to put that back down. You're giving him a bit too much sun.
No, I think it's just to keep heat in.
Look, a spider web.
You don't know?
Hi.
Hello. Hello. You're talkative.
There goes the regular bird.
Hi.
Where's Blackbeard's treasure?
This one wants to tell you. Down here.
Where's Blackbeard's treasure?
Hello.
Hello.
Who's a pretty bird?
You pretty bird? Pretty bird? Oh, you like the fancy pretty ones. Hello. Hello.
Here.
Can you talk?
There's no run.
Don't stick your fingers in there, Chloe.
Yeah, don't. Especially with this one, because this one's black.
I don't think that one likes me filming. Did you see the stink eye he's giving me? Like, get away from me.
Keep going.
I bite.
Hi.
I bite.
She's on, he's scared me.
I would imagine that would hurt, that beat. I'm gonna pet it. Hello. He's like, go ahead, touch me.
Why is it open?
Can you spot the snake?
I keep falling there and get bitten.
Non-venomous. Read the
Ready?
sign. It's non-venomous. If they get bitten, the worst that's gonna happen is they'll get rabies.
Right there.
You're not gonna get rabies from a reptile.
And there's another one.
Where? Oh, he's in a tree.
And Jeff was picking on me last night because I didn't want to walk through the woods
In the dark.
because they'll fall out of trees on you around here.
They're non-venomous,
Yes.
though. Wait, you want them to fall on you, little mom?
See the little ones?
I'm talking to you really loud. Now here's the real question. Are they part of the exhibit or do they just have to...
shows, but we're here the week of Thanksgiving, and there was no shows today or this week, I believe, because the guy is out of town. So highly recommended. It's a cool little place. Kids enjoyed it, and the people that work here are great. Cool little monument to check out while you're in Kissimmee. This is the Monument of States. Monument of States, 50th anniversary, 1943 to 1993. 50 years Time capsule to be opened in the year 2043. How cool. I don't really know the story behind this place, but there's all kinds of names and the sidewalk around it. Did you guys find Maine?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Okay, look at the states. There's 4 dots in a row. Now look up at the rock.
Look at the states. Look at all right there.
I wonder if they have this all gated off and because of the tree.
It's pretty neat. Kind of cool place to check out.
Maybe they light it up.
Well, each one has like rocks from that state, I'm assuming.
Spain.
Pretty neat place. It's right across from their library, but I don't see any plaques really that say why they built it. So we just noticed it, figured we would check it out while we were driving by. There is this plaque down here, it says Army Air Force Artillery Training Field. Maybe it was a training field and some of the guys in the army put these here. I don't know, but it's a cute little thing to stop and check out if you're in the area. Kind of unique. We are currently in Melbourne, Florida, where we are out enjoying the Atlantic Ocean. And we're staying at our first Boondockers Welcome, which is great because it's a big, huge field and we're only like 15-20 minutes from the ocean right now. Well, we're at the ocean now, but where our boondocking place is.
Dog on the beach.
And the guy is really nice, and there's one other family boondocking with us from British Columbia. The girls are racing the waves from one high point to the next. Ready, Mark? Get set, go! These are the moments. These are the times that I absolutely love this life. We were in our house. We would be plowing snow, hoping that our power was coming back on. And instead, we're having family time right here on the beach. The girls are over here, building a sandcastle. The boys are out there playing in the water, and I hope this life never ends. We're only a month and a half in, and it's been sun on. I don't think I will ever go back